I guess I was feeling like I'd lost a lot of energy and passion for my business. I've been running it for about 8 years now, and the words of what we would achieve here really spoke to me, and it was just what I needed. So I came along on a hunch and haven't really invested in myself that much for a long time, and yeah, I was really hoping to regain my passion, but more so get a plan for where I'm going in the future, because I'm not a great planner. One of the most important things of being at the retreat has been finding like-minded women with varying degrees of their business, varying degrees of passion that's ebbed and flowed, and sometimes you feel like you're alone in your business and you think the struggles are unique to you or that there's something wrong with you. So just to know we're all in the same boat and to have that support, and I've made a whole bunch of new friends that I feel very comfortable with picking up the phone or emailing and asking the dumbest questions in the world, and they'll be okay with that. Coming all the way from Darwin to Hawaii, I did question at first, why do we need to go all that way? And it'd be much more convenient if it was in Sydney or something. But to be honest, once I was ready to get on that plane, it didn't really matter where I was going. I just was really concentrating on what I was going to learn and get out of this retreat. I did hesitate a lot when Susie invited me along. I said yes, but really I wasn't sure whether I meant yes, and it did take a lot of self-talk to talk myself around to say, hey, I'm worth it, and this is my dream, and if I don't do something about it now, I might not ever. And I really felt like I needed this 5 days to just really concentrate on me and my business, and it's been so worth it.